Hi there, welcome to my video on continuing to add more custom URLs. So this time to the footer section of your landing page. And so earlier in a previous video, I discussed how you can add additional links on the top page, top header. And so if right now you see I have two, and let's just say you want to make room for more, well then it's hard with this image kind of stalling and taking up space. And so at that point, what I can do is in the header, go into the logo and remove the image. And so that gives me a little bit more room up at the top to add another link. However, I would say that the top is already very full, so I want to keep it simple and minimalist and not too much content so that it's a clean look. And instead, just focus on the key pages that I want people to notice at the top. And then I can continue adding more links at the bottom with the footer. So I'll go back to my footer and click here. And right now I have social links and I have a copyright. And then at the bottom, I have 3 links set up. I have a home page where people can continue going back to my default landing page. All the list of courses I have for sale page. And then a course assignment cloud drive. Now, this is all just for demo purposes, but let's say I don't want to have a cloud drive public on my landing page, because if you're not a current student, then I wouldn't want you to be able to add any assignments or just sort of mess up by putting unnecessary files into my cloud drive. So what I might do is instead 2 things. I can modify that one and just say, if you're looking to work with me, then I can say this is my portfolio. And then for link, I can choose custom URL and then type in http www.genepack.com. And then this is now becoming a portfolio site. And then let's say I want to add another link and say my 4th link will be my YouTube channel. Because maybe you're not ready to sign up with me now, but now you might want to check out what I have on YouTube. So custom URL, go to http and type in youtube.com. And then here I can select whether I want the link to open in the same window, or I think it might be more helpful to say new window, because then it doesn't, then they'll take them to a new tab or new window, and they can still go back and remain on my current landing page to see what my course offerings are. And then I'll just save it. Now, if you're looking at this and says, well, I don't like the fact that my YouTube channel is listed at the end and my portfolio is here. This setup is really brilliant in the fact that you can change and move these links around. So I can just move that one up top. And so now my YouTube is here. And just to double check, that says YouTube. And the second one should say home. And then I'll put in something there so you can see how it all looks like. And then I can just change this to courses if I don't like all courses. And then this will say portfolio. And so that's just really easy and simple way to modify your landing page so that you can add FAQs, you can add a calendar booking link at the top of the header, and then at the bottom of the footer, you can add links to your YouTube channel, homepage, courses link, and a portfolio link. The idea is this will function as a main website instead of having to use Squarespace or WordPress. This is so much easier and so much simpler as well. So I hope that video was helpful, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again.